Hey, beautiful babes. What's up? What it do? Right here at Behind the Scenes. Oh, yeah. Getting my day started pretty late today. But you know, it's all good. It is Friday. Y'all, I just posted a workout video on this channel. So I hope you check that out after you finish this whole video, which won't be long because I'm just popping in. But yeah, yesterday was an excellent workout, and I got a new outfit I was wearing, so check it out. Y'all, today, am I going to work out today? The only thing I'm probably going to do is go outside and run around with the dogs and probably play a little basketball in the backyard today, because my stiffness is kind of subsiding, so I can get a little bit more flexible, hopefully. And now I don't know right now. I really don't know, but I got some work to get out, so that's why I'm probably not going to work out. I'm going to juice today, so look for that recipe coming up on Beauty by Sweet Angel. That's my other channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel. You know that, right? And these big old glasses came from Amazon. Yeah, they're some big ones. You see that light in my eyes? That's my ring light, which is really not a ring light. As you can see, it looked like stars, right? It was a sponsorship deal I did, and I love the light, but it does kind of, I don't know, it makes my eyeglasses look crazy. But I got a new package. I actually ordered a diffuser from Amazon, and I just got it dropped off at the door, and I'm getting ready to set it up and use one of my favorite essential oils. Let me show y'all this oil. Let me put you in a good spot though. I guess I'm just gonna pop you over here. Yeah, I just got on this, I want to say I got it from Rainbow Fashions. It's just a little top. It's open on the side. Got a sports bra on and some stretchy little lounge pants basically today, because I got a lot to do. You know, in the midst of everything else, you still have to take care of your house. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of that today. Juicing, responding to emails. Got a sponsorship video that I'm working on as well of some great oils that I've got to share with y'all. I look forward to that. Well, let me show you this essential oil that I'll be using in my new diffuser, and I'll be showing you that as well. Now, this is the essential oil that I'm going to diffuse throughout the house today. It is from Simply Earth, and you know I'm a Simply Earth girl. Yes, I'm an affiliate with Simply Earth. Now, this one, y'all, is called Good Vibes. I want you to have good vibes all day today. So if you have essential oils, I'm going to tell you what is in this blend. Okay? Now, in this blend, you have clary sage, geranium, lavender, lemon, and hoewood essential oils. So this is going to help support your hormonal balance and also spread joy with this uplifting blend. So I'm excited to use that. Now I'm ready to tear into my box from Amazon right here. Okay, I need my box opener. Give me a moment. We're going to get it together, y'all. Welcome. Did I say welcome to the vlog today? Ah, yes. Y'all know I love getting goodies. Yes, I do. Trying to see about, well, I guess I'll just take it out. I was going to try to leave it in there, but it's in a box. A box in a box. Okay, here's the box for the guinea pig, so I won't destroy it. Y'all love that. Okay. I'm excited about this one. This one is specifically for in here in my glam room, beauty room, office. Oh, it is big. Oh, it is big. Here is the cord, and it looks like it's a pretty long cord. And you know, sometimes you really do need that, especially around in this room, because I swear I have every plug filled. And yeah, that one is really long. Okay, that will do the job there. Love that. Okay, that's just some paper and my little instructions here. Yeah, okay. Aroma diffuser, the user manual. Okay, this is super great. Okay, this aroma diffuser uses ultrasonic technology to atomize the water and essential oil in the water tank and produces a cool, humid, and fragrant mist. All right, so I'm just checking out all of the parts to it so I'll know what to do when I do. All right, look at there. Look how big that is. I know, right? I was trying to see how many hours it lasts, because that was my main thing. My little tanks on the other ones are so small that they actually just run out before the fun happens. You know what I'm saying? So here it is right here. Isn't that nice? Can you see it okay? I'm trying to see where the buttons are. All right. So we have, 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? 6 hours? Let me check and make sure, because if it's lying to me, girl. All right. I am trying to see if it's actually a 6 hour. I didn't really read it. I just saw that it was black and I liked it, okay? Whatever it is, I'm sure it'll be longer than the one that I have. So let me get some water and let me get this set up over here. I'm gonna put it right over there, and I'll be back in 2 seconds, if not sooner. So this is the base. This is where I put the water at. I'm gonna pop it right here. And this is just the top of it here. So that's it. And this is just the little water cup, I guess, I have so many of these because I bought so many diffusers. But there's usually a fill line, and I have a bottle of water right here that I'm going to use to fill it up. And let me go ahead and get the plug in.
Hold on, what is that in the middle of my butt crack? Really, girl? Okay, alright. Well, I guess it was just some paper or lint because it fell off later, but girl, alright, it's all the way live.
So got it plugged in now. Let me go ahead and just put some water in it. So I was reading, and it actually can take almost this entire 16-ounce bottle of water. So that is awesome. I put some in there, but I didn't quite put a lot. So I'll leave that much behind. And it says to put in 2 to 3 drops of the essential oil. So that is so big. I usually put about 4 to 6 drops, and I'll probably do the same here. Yeah. And now, let's put the top on. There's no particular way this goes. It just pops on there. So, simple enough for that, I think. Well, no, it is a certain way. I see it now. Boom. That's on. One. Oh, I see. You just press the on thing and it's one. Oh, let me let y'all see. Can you see? You can't see nothing. So I pressed it on. Got 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hours. Or just plain on. Okay. So that is cool. And is there a light? I guess this is the light right there. Okay, you can change the light. So there we go. I just really want to see. I guess I'll put it on 6 hours. I don't know. And then just hit on again and it'll actually turn off. Great. That looks much, much better. I love it. So I'm just going to push it kind of here. Then I'll put my little pumpkin right there. Might be a lot going on. I don't know. But I like it. I like it. Okay. Do you like it? Well, yeah, I like it. Well, maybe I'll take the pumpkin and put it over here and put the candle right there. How about that? My little 1 cent of Marc Jacobs honey. Cute. Yeah, since that matches the actual lamp back there, and I'll put the pumpkin right here, and that way I can see my words back there. Oh, love it. Yeah, I love it. Cool bees. I'm excited. Smells good too. That is a really good scent. And you can see the, I hope you can see it, the little smoke coming up from the top. And it's cool. It feels cool to the touch. That's it. So after reading everything, I did discover it takes about 2.5 of these. This is 150 milliliters and it takes like 400 milliliters. So we in business. Okay. So I'm excited about that. I think that is about it. Yeah, I want to say that's it today. Right now. At this moment, of course. So let me get this day started and I will hit you back on one of my channels, either here on Behind the Scenes or Beauty by Sweet Angel. I need to do my feet today, like for real, so sugar fingers might even be popping. Have y'all subscribed to the channel? Have you? Oh, what's wrong? What you waiting on? What you waiting on? Okay, get over there. Sugar fingers. That's your girl, Sweet Angel. Yeah, sugar fingers. So join me over there. I'm loving my diffuser. That is so cute. I'm so excited about that. I'm trying to think of, is there anything else I needed to mention to you all? But check out Beauty by Sweet Angel. I did put up some things that I've been eating and implementing into my diet. You know, just trying to, again, do a lifestyle change. That's what it's all about for me right now. You know, I'm not trying to like plummet and take off a whole bunch of weight. There's a lot of diets and a lot of things I could do to do that. I had started one that you could lose, you know, a whole lot of weight in just a few days. I think that's not the route I want to take, even though I drink those type of juices as well. I don't drink them every single day and pretty much starve myself. No, girl, gonna eat. I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna keep this body moving. Absolutely. And especially since, you know, there has not been any shows for me lately. And I'm telling you the truth about it. I'm not running out there trying to get on nobody's stage until they get all kind of clearance and all kind of stuff, because stuff happens, you know, stuff happens, and people will not be honest. They go out there and make their money and know they got, you know, the thing. And if you got the thing and I get on the mic behind you and we got a problem, that's the problem. That's the problem for me. I don't have time, okay? I don't have time for that. So I'm trying to stay clear as best I can. You know, there's no guarantee with anybody because you never know. But honey, she ain't trying. I'm not trying. I'm not trying to do that. So anywho, let me get my day started before I start on a whole different level of something. And I will see y'all on the next video. For real. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the little bell. Hit that little bell and you'll be notified the next time I upload. And keep doing what you're doing, and that is sharing me with your world. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.